In this video, we're going to show you a technique to solve simple multiplication problems. Multiplication is just making lots of something. So 3 times 4, for example, means 3 lots of 4. We're going to show you a visual way to do this. You could use counters or you could just use paper. First thing I'm going to do is look at my first number. I need 3 lots of something. So I'm going to draw out 3 circles. The second number we've got is 4. Because we're making 3 lots of 4. So in each circle, I'm going to put 4 dots. You could put 4 counters in, or however you want to represent it. So we'll lay it out in the first circle, second circle, third circle. The next task then, now I've got my 3 lots of 4, is to count up how many I've got in total. So we've got 4 in the first circle, and we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that 3 times 4 equals 12. This will work with any numbers. It's difficult to do with larger numbers, but numbers up to 10 is manageable with. Let's look at another example then. So this problem is 4 times 2. So we'll begin again by looking at the first number. We've got 4 here. So we're going to draw 4 circles out. The next number we've got is 2. So in each of our 4 circles, we're going to put 2 dots. 1, 2. And fill it out. The next job is to count up how many dots we've got in total. So 4 lots of 2. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that 4 times 2, or 4 lots of 2, is 8. Okay, it's time to practice now then. So before you've got the numbers of the dice, we're going to see if we can times all the numbers of the dice by each other. For example, here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the other side. So you could start with 1 times 1, then 1 times 2, then 1 times 3, then 1 times 4, etc. You see what you notice when you times something by 1. And then you've got your 2 timeses, your 3 times, your 4 times, your 5 times and your 6 times. Some of these will be repeats because you've got the same numbers on both sides. So see how many different sums you can find. Also see what you notice with 4 times 5 and 5 times 4. Does it come up the same or do you get a different answer? As usual, try and check your answers on a calculator, and if you get stuck, go back and follow the method I've used.